Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel, well, to my video. And in today's video, I am going to tell you about why you should consider picking up one of these reloadable debit cards from your local store. Like, I got this one from CVS, but you can get these anywhere at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, anywhere. A reloadable debit card. And the reason why I'm doing this video today is for those of you out there that have upcoming weddings or events and funds are a little bit limited, or you're afraid that you may spend your money. I would say invest in getting one of these, and always look for the ones that have the like a low monthly rate or something. So I don't think this one. So this is what I look for to determine the reloadable card that I wanted to get. For one, I got one that had no monthly fees. Two, if I did need to withdraw the money off of here, which I obviously would, that's why the whole purpose of me getting this. It has a very low rate and then transaction fee. So, and reload fee is very low compared to others that I've seen. So, and then you can also reload at a location near you, or fill out paperwork or something, or a form, and get money transferred over through like direct deposit or something like that. And I know this video is not sponsored. I'm just trying to put you guys on to a little helpful tip in case you guys were wondering or trying to figure out how to pay for something, you know, pertaining to like your wedding or event. I do always suggest that you get something like this for your wedding and you don't use it only for specific wedding stuff, so that way you're able to keep track of what you buy and see where your budget is. So, or maybe you're in a saving process, so this is something good where you can save your money all on this card. You can go to a location, or like I said before, here, do like a direct deposit thing to get your money on here, and that way you have it. And you're not worried about spending it, because honestly you would just keep this home. You won't, you know, carry it with you until you're ready to start spending and purchasing and getting stuff for your wedding. So it does have an app, no credit check, online account management, free direct deposit, text and email alerts, personalized card, free mobile app. So it has a lot of perks, and this is exactly like a real Visa card. My real card is actually in the process of coming in the mail, but this is just a card that I can use for now. But as you see, it's a debit card, so why not get one of these, put money onto it for your wedding or event, put it off to the side, and now you have money for your wedding or event. Now you don't really have to worry about where you're going to get your money from, or you accidentally spent the money on an unexpected expense or whatever. This card should never leave your home or your safety deposit box, or whatever it is that you have to do until you're ready to start spending, leaving deposits, booking, anything pertaining to your wedding or event. So again, this video is not sponsored. Again, pick one of these cards up, reloadable gift cards up at your local Walgreens, Target, Walmart, anywhere. These are anywhere in like the gift card section of a store, or you can just ask a store associate, where could you find a reloadable card. And again, always check for this. If it has a monthly fee, don't get it, because you don't want to be paying on your money. Okay, you don't want to be paying on your money. So always get a monthly fee that doesn't charge. Yes, it does charge to reload, but it's a low amount. But This is more important, honestly, because you don't want to be paying on your money, or if you have a little bit of money in there, you don't want it to disappear because you're paying monthly fees on your reloadable card. So pay close attention to this section right here. It's on the back of every package. So again, no paying on your money. Look at the and always before you leave the store, pull out your phone and see where you can reload money onto the card at, and make sure that the location is near you. I know for a fact that this card right here, I can reload at like a 7-Eleven, or probably I could possibly do it online over the app too, but that's something that you definitely want to check out before you leave the store, is where can you reload your card up at. Like, say for instance, if you're going to put money on that card every 2 weeks or every week, whenever you get paid, you want to make sure that the location is conveniently near you. So always check to see where a close location is to you before you purchase and leave that store. So pull out your phone while you're standing right in front of the cards and see where these locations are, how close they are to you. So 2 things you're going to do before you leave the store. You're going to check to see where your location is for you to reload your money, and you're also going to make sure that the card has no monthly fees. So make sure that you rate, comment, and subscribe. If you head on over to my website, ourbeerweddingboutique.bigcartel.com, ourbeerweddingboutique.bigcartel.com, ourbeerweddingboutique.bigcartel.com. If you want more wedding and event tips that can help you and your pockets, and just help you generate any ideas and inspiration and advice, saying how I am a professional special events and catering coordinator at a nationally accredited college, and I have been in the events industry for a couple years now, and now I am teaching DIY tips and tricks to engage couples and individuals on how to have the most budget-friendly and memorable event that you're going to do yourself. So again, get you a reloadable debit card, check to see where the locations are closest to you, and make sure it has no monthly fees.